Negative 7 plus 7 which equals 0. Then times 8 over 7. 0 times 8 which equals to 0. Okay. 0 divided by 7 which equals 0. Because 0 divided by any number, the answer will be 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Okay, multiplication and division has higher priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, the numerator part there is one addition and one multiplication. Therefore, this multiplication has higher priority than this addition because multiplication comes before addition. Okay. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this multiplication and finally this addition. If we do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, we have to multiply this number 7 times 8, which equals 56. Then here negative 7 plus 56 over 7. Negative 7 plus 56 means which equals 49 over 7. 49 divided by 7 which equals to 7. Okay, so this is the final answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem equals to 7.